Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you that in the Indian Express magazine or the website, so they mentioned that Allahabad High Court issues notice to the National Testing Agency over the NEET result, that is the medical entrance examination. Okay, so why the Allahabad High Court issued the notice? Okay, we will see here. So notice sent to NTA for declaring NEET result without deciding on objections to a couple of questions in the examination. The petitioners said the agency to announce the result on October 16 without deciding on their objections. Okay, so coming to the body of this one, the Lucknow bench of Allahabad High Court on Tuesday issued a notice to the National Testing Agency over the declaration of NEET result, so without deciding their objections on the couple of questions. Okay, and the result was already declared on October 16th. Okay, but they did not consider the objections raised by the students. Okay, the bench of Justice Rajneesh Kumar issued the notice on a writ petition moved by Saliha Khan and others. The next hearing into the petition is scheduled for the November 23rd. And the petitioner said in the plea that the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test NEET was held in September, and objections to the questions were invited through a notice on September 27. In response to the notice, the petitioners deposited the required fee and submitted objections to two questions. The petitioner said the agency announced the result on October 16 without deciding on their objections. Okay, so here the petition kept based upon the NTA is not considered the objections raised by the students. So without considering, they released the result on October 16th. So based upon that one, here the High Court issues a notice to the National Testing Agency, and the next hearing is on November 23rd. So we have to wait and see, okay, what will happen on this one. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the two new courses for the UGC-NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC-NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC-NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I'm going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I'm going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.